done that. Now everybody's expecting a big, like, I'm not gonna say much. I was the last one to decide to actually ring out here, and I'm the first to talk. I don't even know how that works out, but yeah, this has just been a grind. Probably the most rewarding thing I've ever done, but definitely the hardest thing I've ever done. Never really pictured myself standing here. I decided to come to chiropractic school like a month before I even showed up. Just got accepted, kind of threw into the fire, and then COVID hit, and that was a whole ordeal. But we made it through, and I'm here on to bigger and better things. So thank you, Sherman. Thank you, all the case doctors. Thank you, everybody here. Appreciate you all being here. So let's do this.
I love you guys. Thank you all for showing up. I can't look you in the eye because I'm going to cry. So I'm just going to look at your feet.
Good baby.
We already, thank you. Yeah. Crying is cool. 2023. So this has been, it's kind of weird. I wasn't going to ring out because we already graduated. It's kind of a weird experience, but this is like the final, like we did it. I just want to say thank you to everyone involved in our journey, faculty, staff. What an impact. My patients, God, I have the best patients. Yeah, I'm just so proud of us doing EHR, switching it over. We did it, free labor, but you know, that's oh boy, y'all might regret that later, but yeah, I'm super proud of myself, super proud of this one in particular. We're going to Florida, we're going to change the world with our hands. It's going to be amazing. Let's do it.
This experience has been like the best time of my life, and I'm really, really excited that I pushed myself to do this. I have no words. Like, this has been the best chapter of my life, the most rewarding. I've met the best people ever, and I'm leaving and I'm really excited because I'm not the same person that I was 3.5 years ago, and I'm really proud of who I am now and who I'm going to continue to be when we go take life in Florida.
Thank you. Thank you guys for being here. Matthew 20, verse 28. Something every day I wake up and tell myself. The Son of Man did not come to be served, but to serve and give his life as a ransom for others. My hope is that each and every day I was able to live out my why and that I inspired it within you. And that's to awaken unbound sin and service through faith, hope, and love. To my family, thank you for always opening up opportunities for me to pursue my dreams. To my friends that got to spend a lot of time with me, thank you for putting a smile on my face and allowing me to laugh. To my brothers, thank you for reigniting that passion into me and finding out my purpose within chiropractic and my place within this world. To my patients, thank you for receiving. Thank you for allowing me to share my gifts with you. And to my biggest support system, who has got me through all the rainy days, who has got me through all the hard times, that has gotten me through the moments where I felt like giving up, thank you for inspiring me, and thank you for being here. This is a journey, my friends, and we're always given the prophecy of the promised land, and we're met with the sacrifices of the cross. Always remember that it's not what you get, but what you give. Show up each and every day and give yourself to what it is that you are here to do. And it's not about you. It's about who you're here to serve and who you are here to put on this earth for to help change their life and to facilitate that. So thank you. Keep showing up. As Dr. Kenya would say, just keep showing up. I promise you, that is a fact, because you just keep showing up and guess what? You're going to be on these stairs and you get to do this wonderful thing. So I love you guys. Love you. Bye.